Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw BNB from Bitrue to Binance in 2025. If you're looking to move your BNB assets between these popular exchanges, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but staying secure and double-checking details is key, especially in the ever-evolving crypto world of 2025. First things first, before we dive in, make sure you have a few basics covered. You'll need active accounts on both Bitrue and Binance, with some BNB sitting in your Bitrue wallet. Also, verify your identities if you haven't already. Exchanges are getting even stricter with KYC in 2025 to combat fraud. Let's get into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Wallets, or Assets, section. Find your BNB balance there, it should be easy to spot. Step 2. Select BNB from your wallet and click on the Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. This is crucial. Copy your Binance deposit address accurately. In 2025, Binance might have updated interfaces, so look for the Deposit option in your Binance account first, generate a BNB address, and paste it here. Step 3. Choose the right network. BNB withdrawals typically use BEP2 or BEP20. Double-check which one your Binance wallet supports to avoid any lost funds. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, keeping in mind the minimum limits and network fees, which could be around 0.1 BNB or more depending on market conditions. Step 4. Review everything carefully. You'll see a summary of the transaction, including fees and the final amount. If it all looks good, hit Confirm and authenticate with your two-factor authentication for added security. Once the transaction is processed, which might take a few minutes to an hour, check your Binance wallet to confirm the BNB has arrived. Pro tip. In 2025, always use hardware wallets for larger amounts to stay safe from hacks. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw BNB from Bitrue to Binance. This method keeps your assets moving smoothly. If you run into any issues, reach out to exchange support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.